Welcome guys to BFB No Split Part 2. As of results, this is the teams as of BFB 35. And now this is the exit as of BFB 35. Okay, well, we're going to have a new teams. But I am going to swap the teams in 3, 2, 1. App. This is the S. Now this is the Are You Okay? This is teammates, and this is not strongest team on earth. Okay, the first two FEs teammates. Also I know teammates. The team from the power of 2. Okay, Safe R Donut, Queenie, Leafy, Ruby, Lap, Nickel, Pin, Winner, and Barf Bag. Flower and Bummy in the bottom 2. The person last one safe is Flower. And say bye bye Bummy. Bye bye Bummy. Okay, the next UFE are you okay? Wow, I like this team so much. Safe are tennis ball, tree, marker, hook, penny, remote, golf ball, the bossy bot, and black hole. Yellow face and clock in the bottom 2. The last one safe are clock. So yellow face, it's time to say goodbye. Okay. So we're going to have a double rejoin for today from Are You Okay and the teammates. The first who will rejoin is match to the teammates, and Lollipop to the Are You Okay. Let's go. And now, teammates, UCFE again. Safe R Leafy, Donut, Queenie, Ruby, Barf Bag, Flower, Pin, and Match. A winner. Sorry, Nickel and Match are UFE. And the last one safe are Match because he's a rejoiner. Bye Nickel. Okay, the next UFE are the strongest team on earth. Wow. Safe are Bubble, Cloudy. No. Sorry. Safe and Lightning, Basketball, Lady, Balloony, Lie, and Grassy, and Bell, and Cloudy. Loser and Bell in the bottom 2. I don't know who will be someone. These of them are like. So, and the last one safe is Bell. Sorry, loser. The first one rejoiner is out. Rejoiners never win. And the next UFE are you okay? Safe are tennis ball, lollipop, marker, remote, book, tree, and Fanny, and golf ball the bossy bot. Black hole and clock in the bottom 2. The last one safe are black hole. Also, now from BFB 41. Wow. Another same crossword for BFB41. The S, the team who never lost. Okay, safe are Teardrop, Woody, Pen, Needle, Eraser, Taco, Balaki, and Saw. The one who wills daily battle in the bottom two. And the last one safe is KT. Bye-bye battle. Now from BFB42. We're going to have a debut. The one who will team debut is this? No. The one who will team debut is DS. And the one who will debut from the failed debut is Price Tag. And Price Tag. I know Price Tag is a very best. My opinion is he's okay to me. The S are now UFE again. Price Tag is immune. Say for Price Tag because he said the viewer's immune. She said immune. Price Tag, Teardrop, Pen, Taco, Woody, Blocky, Eraser, and Needy. Don't call me Needy! Okay, Needle. JD and Saw in the bottom two. The last one safe is Saw. Hey! Next. From BFB. No, from BFB 43. The next UFE is the strongest team on earth. Safe are Cloudy, Basketball, Lightning, Lai, Balloony, Cloudy, and Naily. Wow, same as also. Red and Glassy are in the bottom two. So, and the last one safe is that Grassy one. Okay, bye Bell. The teammates are UFE. So, safe are Leafy, no, Winner, Rocky, Ruby, Pin, Coiny, Bag, Winner, and Mash. Flower and Donut in the bottom two. The last one safe are that Flowey one. By Donut. But this is I like him to become the host. This is my favorite host ever. Next are teammates UFE again. Safe are Leafy, Coiny, Ruby, Bag, Pin, and Flower. Match and Winner in the bottom two. So I think Winner is eliminated. Bye Winner! Now, from BFB 46. Safe. The UFEs are you okay? Safe, double elimination. Safe are Tennis Ball, Tree, Bailey, Book, Remote, and Marker. Black Hole, Golf Ball, and Lollipop in the bottom three. The one who's last one safe is that Lollipop one. Why Bossy Bot and Black Phone? So in this time, okay, and from BFB, from BFB 48. Wait. From BFB 2047, the strongest team on earth is UFE. These are the ball, basketball, light, lightning, and Naily. And Balloony. No. I mean Cloudy. Grassy and Balloony in the bottom two. Last one safe is Grassy. Okay, bye-bye Balloony. Now, from BP48, we're going to have a rejoin, but we're going to have double elimination from the S. Since that Price and Puffball is eliminated now. Eraser and Gary is out. Okay, so from BFB, okay. From BFB 49, teammates are no. I mean strongest team on earth is US. Safe are Bubble, Lightning, Basketball, Naily, and Cloudy. Grassy and Lie in the bottom two. And the Lie is eliminated. Say goodbye to your rejoiner, Lie. And now from BP50, we're going to have a rejoin. Because from BP55, swap teams again. From have-guts to have-nots. Joke! It's merge na lang. It's merge. And the one who will rejoin is Pencil. I don't know who Pencil is. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this is the teams as of BFB 51. It's okay. We will now continue from BFB 51. Since BFB 50 is now end. No one is up for elimination. No one is now up for elimination and this is the exit now. As of phase 2. So see you next time. See you on BFB 51. But I hate this character. Bye bye.